Hello viewers, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Hope all you are doing well. The app which today I am going to introduce with you is an amazing app, and everyone likes iPhone and all the versions of iPhone. And the app which I am going to share with you is the one of the best apps which change your Android app into iPhone, and you use all the features of iPhone in your Android app. So let's start. The name of the app is iOS Launcher. Here you see the icon of the app, and you can install it from Google Play Store freely. So after installing it, let's start it. It has a lot of features, and all the features of iOS system are available in Android app. You just need to install it, and first of all you have to select the wallpaper which you want to use. Suppose I will use this one. Get started. Allow. Here you see the themes, which theme you want to. This is the full apps in one screen, and I like this. It is starting now. Sweep down and sweep up if you want to search something. All here you see set as default. Here you see all the features are available in my mobile phone of iPhone. Here okay, disable. Here you see the battery percentage, all the features, and here you see allow it. Here you see all the features of iPhone. If you want to install and other versions of this app, you can install it from Play Store. Just go to Play Store and write iOS Launcher, and you can install. Here you see the icons of Android, but if you want to use the icons of iOS, you can install another version of this app. If you want to go back to your Android version, press the home icon. Here you go to iOS setting. And you can also use app lock. Here you see the apps which I am going to lock. It is a list of the apps. If I select this, it is locked. Gallery, It provides a lot of security also. Lock 8 apps. Now you can select the done. Let me show you. Here gallery. I have locked this and then it is open. If I want to open, like I have logged the app like this one. Here you see it has opened. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share it with your friends and press the bell icon. Thank you so much. And if you want to remove this, here you see all the features of iPhone. You can also hide the apps which you don't want to see. Here are some ads you can skip after some time. These are the apps of almost 10 seconds. Here is the list of all the apps which I have in my phone. If I want to hide this app, I have selected and then hide. Here you see select default launcher. If you want to go back to your previous setting, Android setting, go here, this one, and then all the setting of your previous phone becomes available. Here you see like this. Thank you so much for watching the video. Stay blessed. Take care.